Requirements. Well, there's only a few requirements, really. Well, but let me rephrase it. There's only one real requirement. Your desire. If you don't want to grow, if it's not important for you, you're not going to grow. No matter what you do, it's going to stay the same. You're going to stay where you're at. Growth means change. And you will change if you grow. So if you're unwilling to actually change, then you cannot grow, possibly. Yes, you can learn new information, a lot of it, like you can learn a lot of information. But if you don't apply it in order for you to change somehow, you will not grow. Because growth is inside. It's not how much information you contain. It's how much information you use and you apply to yourself to actually change. It's how much change that have you done within yourself. Who have you become? What kind of qualities do you have? Okay, how's your world, outside world changes? How your perception of the world changes? That's a change, okay? Not the amount of information. So really, there's only one prerequisite. It's your desire. But then there are a few secondary ones, I would say. And the biggest one after desire would be openness to something new. Because, I have this analogy. Just imagine the glass. If it's already full with knowledge, how can you put something else in it? Right? So all you gotta do is you gotta be open. And open means a little bit of emptiness. Ready to pour that out, the old stuff, pour it out. And be empty, be in a receptive mode. Be open to something new. Because if you're not open and new comes, you're unable to see it. You're unable to use it. And there's no growth. So there are several factors like this. But these two, I would say, they're the most important ones. The willingness, the desire to grow, and the openness towards change, openness to life. That's pretty much it. Then, of course, you can talk about fears, but fears is a natural thing. We all have them, and it's the way of overcoming fears. But I wouldn't call fears requirements. Fears just obstacles. There are obstacles on your way, and you will have to face many fears on your way to success. And those are the parts of you that you would have to overcome. That's what fear is. So, in essence, just your desire.